I think I've worked out a solution to avoid your plasterboards cracking when they're on the walls and the ceilings. Generally, the plasterers will fix them to the stud work, or they'll dot and dab them on the wall, or they'll fix them to the ceiling. Then the second board butts right up to it nice and tight. The next stage is they will take a scrimp tape and then they bridge the gap with their scrimp tape like that. These boards are kind of a feather edge board, so they'll skim across here, plaster up, let that start to set. They'll do all the joints and then they'll skim right over the entire wall, so this has more skim on there and technically dries that little bit stronger and better, which most of the time it works great, and that's all the trades are doing really on new houses and refurbishments, etc. However, I've thought of a way of using 3C's multi-use, which is a very strong grab adhesive, and doing a line from the top all the way down here. Right the way to the bottom, and then you slide this board up against it, it butts up, the glue oozes out, drive in your drywall screws through the plasterboard into the surface behind. Smooth down flush any adhesive using a scraper, and then put your scrimp tape on there. What that's going to do, it's going to make these two edges bond together really well and really strong. Perfect. So that is one joint now, filled, glued, pulled together. Scrimp tape has gone across it. You leave that to dry, then mix up your plaster. Plaster over this joint first, because remember, these boards are a feather edge board. They're just beveled in a little bit more, so you can get a thicker layer of plaster across there. You do all your joints and then you're ready to skim the whole wall. And that joint for me will last longer. For more how-to videos, don't forget to like and follow.